Hello and welcome to Math Lessons with Linda. Today's topic is how to find the slope of a line if you are using two given points. So let's recall first what the equation is for finding the slope of a line using 2 points. A lowercase m represents the value for slope, and the formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And you might remember that sometimes it's also called the rise over the run, because the rise goes along with the y-axis and the run goes horizontally with the x-axis. So here are the 2 points we are going to use to find the slope of a line. 5, -4, and -9, 3. So where do we get all of these variables? So I'm going to call the point 5, -4 my point number 1. So that means 5 is my x1, and the -4 would be my y1. And -9, 3 is going to be point 2. So I'll call the -9 x2 and the 3 y2. So now I'm going to go back to my formula and substitute in these 4 values to calculate my slope. So in the numerator, I have y2 minus y1. So y2 is 3 minus the y1 is also a negative, so be careful when you're doing that. In my denominator, I have x2, which is -9, minus my x1, which is 5. So to simplify, when I have minus a negative, that's adding the opposite. So 3 minus -4 turns into 3 plus 4, which is 7. And in the denominator, I have -9 minus 5, which is -14. So I'm going to look and make sure that it's in lowest terms, and if not, I'm going to simplify. So I can reduce the numerator and the denominator in this problem by 7. So when I reduce by a factor of 7 in the numerator, I have 1. And in the denominator, when I reduce by a factor of 7, I still have a 2, which is negative. So now I'm finished, and the slope of my line is -1/2. And that is how I calculate the slope of a line using 2 points.